Good morning, students. This is Abjeet, and today I'm going to explain the first chapter of history, the rise of nationalism in Europe. Nationalism, the feeling of love and pride towards one's own country. What is nationalism? The feeling of love and pride towards one's own country is known as nationalism. This chapter starts with image. You can see this image. This image was created by Frédéric Soriot in 1848. He was a French artist. In 1848, Frédéric Soriot prepared a series of 4 prints, visualizing his dream of a world made up of democratic and social republics. And it is the first print of the series. In this print, you can see the people of Europe and America, men and women of all ages and social classes, marching in a long train and offering homage to the Statue of Liberty as they pass by it. You can see there are people of Europe and America, Europe continent and America continent, men and women of all the ages and social classes. They are marching in a long train. You can see they are marching in a long train and offering homage to the Statue of Liberty. Homage means respect, and offering homage to the Statue of Liberty. This is Statue of Liberty as they pass by it. You have learned about the French Revolution in 9th class. You know that the French artist personified liberty as a female figure, and this is female figure created by French artist. In one hand of Statue of Liberty there is Charter of the Rights of Man, and in the other hand there is Torch of Enlightenment. On the earth in the foreground, you can see here, on the earth in the foreground of the image lie the shattered remains of the symbols of absolutist institutions. Here I have used word absolutist. What is the meaning of absolutist? A government or system of rule that has no restraints on the power exercised. A government or a system of rule that has no restraints on the power exercised means such a government who can do anything, where only the rulers are powerful. They can do anything according to their wish. There is no respect of people. No rules are followed properly. If rules are made, they are only in favor of the government or the ruler, and they can do anything whatever they want. That type of government is known as absolutist government. On the earth in the foreground, here you can see, on the earth in the foreground of the image lie the shattered remains of the symbols of absolutist institution. Actually, the people of Europe and America, they wanted to form their nation states. They wanted to develop smaller states into nation states. They wanted to bring down the rule of monarchy and dictatorship, and for this they struggled a lot. In Soriot's utopian vision, here one more word is used, utopian. What is utopian? A vision of a society that is so ideal that it is unlikely to actually exist. Means to think about such a society which is not possible to be formed, like in which all people are so good, there is no crime, there is only peace. Such type of society is known as a utopian society. In Soriot's utopian vision, the people of the world are grouped as distinct nations. All these people, they are representing to their nations. Leading nations in this procession are the America and the Switzerland, the United States of America and the Switzerland, because they were already nation states. I want to explain the term nation state. Nation state. State. What is the meaning of state? The state is a body of government, the rules and laws, the government officials and their titles, and the physical boundaries. Like we say that India is a country and all the people living within the boundary of that country are Indians. But we can't call it as a country only on the basis of the boundary. Sorry, nation state only on the basis of boundary. Actually, it is state. The state is a body of government, the rules, the laws, the government officials and their titles, and the physical boundaries. All these make a state. And nation means the people. It is created by a shared belief that the people inside a country are connected to each other on basis of language, religion, race, or any other commonalities. So when state and nation both are joined, they make the nation state. What is state? A country within the political boundaries. Suppose that is any country. The country within the political boundaries in which it has its own government, own people, there are rules and laws, and the government is not answerable to any outside power. And nation, the people of a country who feel that they are same, they share common culture, they feel same because of their religion, race, or language. That is nation. And both words, nation and state, make nation state. Nation state. Now, what is nation state? A nation state is one in which majority of its citizens come to develop a sense of common identity. Means people living within a country develop a sense of common identity. They feel that they are connected to each other because they speak same language or have same religion and share history, and they feel that their history was same. Like the people who are living within the political boundary of India, they feel that their leaders struggled a lot during the British rule to gain independence from them. All of us feel proud about them. For example, when Pakistan was formed, the boundary of Pakistan was created, so many of the Muslims, they decided to settle in Pakistan because they felt that they were safe because of their religion. So they started to live in Pakistan, and in this way Pakistan became homeland of Muslims. In same way, when Israel was not formed, boundaries of Israel were not created. At that time, Jews were living in different parts of the world. But when Israel was founded, then Jews settled there, and in this way Israel became their homeland. So what is nation state? A nation state is a country in which majority of its people develop a sense of common identity and share history. They feel that they have commonalities on the basis of religion, race, language. Such state is known as a nation state. State, a body of government, the rules and laws, the government officials and their titles, and the physical boundaries. That is state. And when the people living within the country, they feel that they are connected to each other because of their religion, race, or language, that is